Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji's Share Tips. Today we are going to do the share analysis of Tata Steel. The main reason we are doing the analysis right now is currently the share is trading at a fair price and it is a good time to enter. Now the business model is steel manufacturing, has a very good growth potential, we know, because it is used in all kind of construction activities, right? Market cap is at 1,59,887, shows it is a large cap stock and the second largest steel manufacturing company in India. Current market price is at 1366, which is 11% discounted price from its all-time high of 1533, which happened in August 2021, which is 2 months before. And the book value is 611, which is 44% of share price. The face value appears to be 10 rupees, which means a stock split is possible in 2 years. The dividend yield is around 1.88%, shows that you will get a return of 188 rupees per year for every 10,000 rupees invested. Bonus history shows that company has issued 6 bonuses, but the last issue was in 2004, which means a bonus issue in the recent times or in the upcoming years is very unlikely. 12-month returns is at 269%, which looks really good, right? But it is mainly because of the COVID recovery. 5-year returns 246, it came flat. Maximum returns 22 years is 1859, which is okay, not good, not bad, somewhere in the middle, right? Inventory turnover is not applicable. Earnings per share is 62.6, which is moderate, and it is 4.5% of the stock price. ROE is 10.8, ROC is 12.6, and ROA is 3.48, which looks neither good neither bad, it is in the average category. Debt to equity is 1.20, which is just okay, and debt to profit is 11.8, which is also just okay. Not out of control, but not looking very good also. Promoter holding is 34.41%, which is okay. DII has 18.28 and FII has 22.38, has a decent amount, means company is still attractive for investors. Now if you look at the stock P, you can see it is 7.36, which means it is undervalued, but when you look at the industry average, it is only 7.07, shows that stock is fairly valued. Now again, the company is in continuous profit for the last 4 years, which means in the last 10 years they have made some losses, but at least for the last 4 years they are making consistent profit. The reserves of the company has increased from 70,156 in the previous year to this year 72,262. The cash flow is showing negative, but we can see a large scale consolidation of debt. So debt is consolidating quickly, so that is fine. CEO and Managing Director is Mr. TV Narendran, age 56. He got an MBA from IIM Calcutta and he has 32 years experience in Tata Steel. The chairman is Mr. N. Chandrasekharan, age 58, and he got a bachelor degree in applied sciences. He got MCA degree from NIT Tiruchirappalli, 33 years with Tata Group. That shows that company is managed by highly experienced and highly qualified personnel. The company's presence in India is shown in the annual report PDF page 12, and you can also see the subsidiaries have 6 subsidiaries with 2 joint ventures, which is available in annual report PDF page 228. So let's check both these things. So here on PDF page 12, you can see company's footprint. You can see its manufacturing locations. Majority of them is located in these districts, right? These states like Jharkhand, Odisha, and somewhere in this Himachal Delhi area, and some in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh area. The main reason for this concentration of this industry at this point is because the raw material is available here, because lot of deposits are available in this area for steel, and that is the reason why majority of the industries are concentrated at this area. And here in the annual report page 228, PDF page 228, you can see subsidiaries: Subarnarega Port Private Limited, T Steel Holdings, Tata Steel Mining Limited, Tata Steel Special Economic Zone, Tayo Roads Limited, and joint ventures Industry Energy Limited, S&T Mining Company Private Limited. These are the subsidiaries of this company. Anyway, the organization is headquartered in Bengaluru. The remuneration paid to the directors, which is 10-member panel, is 37 crores and is available in the annual report of 2020, not the latest annual report, previous year annual report, PDF page 133. And here you can see that less than 0.1% of the profit is taken as director's salary, which shows company is not mismanaged. Now the company is founded in the year 1907, which means it has completed 114 years. Now the recently Q1 2021 financial results are announced in August, not this month or last month. It is announced in August, and it shows that there is an increase of 272% profit from this quarter to the previous year same quarter, that is Q1 2021 to Q1 2020, there is an increase of 272%. And if you look at the Q1 profit to the previous quarter Q4 2020, there is an increase of 29%. Again, this year dividend of 25 rupees is already issued on June 2021, hence you cannot expect any dividend this year. Let's go to the technical part. You can see the 200 exponential moving average line, which is clearly below the price line, that shows the price is bullish. But when you look at the 48 and 13 exponential moving average, you can see a negative bearish crossover, but it has neutralized, so somewhat neutral, but it's bearish. But if you look at the MACD, you can see it is negative territory, that shows it a bearish trend, but the indicator is pointing upward, so it is somewhat bullish as well, so it is neutral. Now if you look at the stochastics, you can see it is pointing steeply upwards, shows it is bullish, but it is near the overbought zone. Now if you look at the RSI, it is perfectly neutral. Now what I understand from the technical indicators is the price is going to consolidate at this point for some time, and after that it will hit 1,400, 500 and keep moving upwards. Again, the quarter 2 financial result that is expected to come either this month or next month will define the continuation of this trend. Same thing is mentioned here as well. 200 EMA is bullish, 13 and 48 EMA is looking slightly bearish. Current price is somewhat okay for the purchase. If you want to purchase, you can make an entry here. MACD is just negative, looking slightly bullish as well. Again, the Q2 financial results are awaited, so only then we can give a final assessment. Stochastics is bullish and near the overbought zone. RSI index is neutral. Again, follow buy on dip strategy. Support can be found at 1335, 1280 and 1240 levels. Any price around or below 1330 will be a fair entry. Opportunities for short, medium and long term, all the three occasions. Between 1200 and 1300 will be a much better entry. Minimum and maximum long-term portfolio allocation is 2% and 3% respectively. Buy 2 to 3 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Again, the immediate target is 1400, 1550 and long-term target is 2000. That's how it is. If you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.